the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UGC NET exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, here I am going to show you the career based training is providing by the Tata Consultancy Services, that is TCS Ion, that I am going to show you in the official website of the National Career Service. So here you can see that the career skills training by the TCS Ion. So anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video, but just check the details here. The National Career Service portal now offers a career skills training by the TCS Ion free of cost for its registered job seekers. Okay. So the course name is Career Skills, and about this course, the self-paced online course on soft skills or the career skills assists the learners in enhancing personality development. The objective of this course is to ensure that learners who have qualified both in academics and aptitude gain the necessary skill sets demanded by the industry today and get a head start in their career. So you need to register or log in order to take the course. That means if you click on this one, then you will be directed to this web page. So first you have to register here. That means if you are the new candidate to this National Career Service website, so then click on this new user. If you are having already the username and password, then just go this do details and click on the sign in. So if you are a new user, then click on this one. Then it will just ask you the details to fill up. See, the register as a job seeker and fill up all your details, first name, middle name, last name, and the gender, and the PAN card or identification number, the date of birth, your educational qualifications. So all the details you have to enter here and then click on the submit. Then you are going to get one username and password. Based upon that username and password, you just enter here and then click on the sign in. Then you can able to access this course in the free of cost. Okay, the Tata Consultancy Service is providing this course in the free of cost. And coming to this course, here the total 9 modules are there. The first module is develop soft skills that industry demands, and the second module is make impactful presentations. Third one is learn corporate etiquette, and the fourth module is write an effective email, how to write the effective email. Fifth one is improve interpersonal skills for better results, and the sixth module is prepare a strong resume and a cover letter. Seventh module is learn corporate telephone etiquette, and the module 8 is understand how to ace corporate interviews, and the final module is be prepared for the group discussions. Okay, so all these different types of modules providing by the TCS Ion is very much essential to enhance your skills, because nowadays if you want to get any one job in the industries, I mean either in the private or the public sectors, the group discussions and the preparing your resume and how to attend the interview, so all this plays a very key role. So that's why it will be very much helpful to all the graduates or the postgraduates who are looking for the job opportunities, and it is completely free of cost providing by the Tata Consultancy Service. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues whoever looking for such type of opportunities, and for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.